National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Muskingum County, western Coshocton County, until 10:15 p.m. At 9:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Frazeysburg, or 15 miles west of Coshocton, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Dresden, Frazeysburg, Warsaw, Nellie, Walhanding, Litchfield, Cooperdale, Leyland, and New Guilford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at Pittsburgh.